Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you open any application and it says these files can't be opened. Your internet security settings prevented one or more files from being opened. So I've got a fix for this and how you can do this. Let's get started. First you have to open your start menu and then type run. Just open this run app and then you have to type this inetcpl.cpl. Click OK and then it will open internet properties. Just go over to the security tab, click on internet and then click on custom level. Here you have to find launching applications and unsafe files. Make sure you scroll till here and then here you'll find this. Just click on prompt and then on launching programs and files in a frame, click on prompt as this, set it to prompt as well. Once you set these both on prompts, click on OK and then restart your PC. After that, hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.